Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So in this video I want to show you guys how to properly sew your bustier. Okay, I understand the fact that some of us have issues with when it comes to joining your bustier together. You have issues putting them together, so I'll just be showing specifically how to actually join your bustier together. So this video is this is a continuation of my previous video on how to draft a bustier strapless top. Okay, so if you haven't seen the video, I'll leave the link in the description box so that you can actually see it. So what I'm showing now is one tip whenever you are joining your bustier is your wadding shouldn't get to the seam line, that is to the upper, to the seam line at the chest. Okay, your wadding shouldn't get into the seam line. It should be half inch or 1 inch away from the seam line. Okay, so now I'm using half inch to join. Okay, I added half inch sewing allowance, so I'll be using half inch to join the bustier together. So you can see the way I'm doing it. So you make sure that you are sewing on half inch. Okay, if possible, you can mark out the half inch so that it will be very easy for you guys to sew. So I hope you are getting the gist or the logic behind this. So now there are some, when it comes to that, from that underbust part, it might seem a little kind of difficult. So you can see the way that I'm easing the wording, okay, the pieces. Okay, so if whenever you are sewing this, in as much as you are shifting the upper piece, make sure that the down piece doesn't fold. You need to be checking it so that it won't fold. Okay, so you just be taking it gradually the way I'm taking it in the video. Just be taking it gradually so that you not have to like loosen up the whole thing after sewing it. Okay, so like I said, if possible, to make the work very easy for you, okay, you can as well mark out the half inch and make sure that you're going to be sewing on the half inch. So you can see the way that I'm easing it in, making sure that the down part doesn't fold. So if you really want to like make it easy, if you want sewing bustier to be easy for you, can just follow this step here. So you make sure that you ease it in, and once you get to the top side of the you get to the end part, definitely it's gonna be easy for you. So, and one tip again, whenever you're joining your bustier, is you have to start from the down part, not from the upper part. Okay, always start from the down part. And once you notice any sharp point after joining your bustier, you need to take that sharp point in. Okay, so now once you are done sewing on your machine, you need to come back and iron. Okay, you cannot underestimate the power of ironing when it comes to clothes making. So you need to come back and iron. You can see the way I'm ironing, and make sure that you have your tailor's ham. Okay, so now you're going to be opening out all the seam inside. That way it will make your bustier to relax well, and it will make everything look smooth and neat. Okay, but for this video, I'm making this video, or I'm making this top just for the sake of this tutorial. So I was supposed to add hairstay to this fabric, to both the main fabric and the lining, but I'm just making this for the sake of this video, so I saw no reason why I should add hairstay. Okay, so I just want to get to show you guys how this is done so that you understand from the sewing process, from the drafting process to the sewing process. So I'm loving this. You can see the way bustier is sitting down pretty. Okay, and another tip that you need to note is once you are done sewing your bustier, you try as much as possible to notch the underbust area. Okay, so that you can actually relax well. Okay, so you need to take your time and iron to prevent any form of grease lines, any form of folds around your bustier. Okay, so guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Okay, so do well to subscribe to the channel, like, and also drop your comment if you have any question. Okay, so I'm Jamilat, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Take care and bye bye.